Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to share with you the different ways I like to make overnight oats. So I've come up with some great ways for the season and just some simple ways too. So let's get started. Apple pie will be our first one that we're going to start with. And we're going to go ahead and put in half a cup of oats, which will be great for supporting our blood sugars. And did you know it's great for skincare as well? Next, we're going to use a 1/4 cup of dehydrated apples. That looks great all in there. And then next, we're going to go ahead and put in there half a tablespoon of flax meal in this recipe, and flax meal will be used for our protein. And next we're going to go ahead and add maple syrup organic, 1 teaspoon into the mix, and it looks great. And then next we're just going to put the lid in and shake that up, and it's set to go, ready for the refrigerator. Our second one is peaches and cream. This is the first time I'm making this and I really love it. It's going to be great. Again, our half a cup of oats for our gut health. A flax meal would be added onto there, and a 1/4 cup of these beautiful dehydrated peaches. And for cream, I'm going to do half a cup of soy coffee creamer and half a cup of soy milk. I'm going to put the lid right on there and shake that one up. That is ready to go into the refrigerator for either a snack or a meal. Next up, we're going to use pears and cranberries, a little fall theme going on here. Half a cup of oats will go right into there, which has a great soluble fiber. And then we're going to put our half tablespoon of flax meal. Then I added a 1/4 cup of cran raisins and another 1/4 cup of pears, which is great for gut health and great for our skin. And did you know the skin actually on the pears helps us with fiber? So we're going to put that in there and mix that up with our cup of plant-based milk. Now we're going to add our syrup to the mix. Doesn't that look good? Got all the nice fall colors in there. For our next one, we're going to go with pumpkin mix. So I'm excited about this one because I'm using a pumpkin protein that I picked up at the store. Let's start off with our 1 cup of oats, our half a tablespoon of flax meal, a teaspoon of cinnamon, our 1/4 cup of unsalted pumpkins. This looks good. Our 1/4 cup of cran raisins. Now I'm going to go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of the pumpkin protein powder in some water, in half a cup of water, and I'm going to pour that right in there. Pumpkin seeds are great for protein and for magnesium. And then I'm adding half a cup of plant-based milk. Doesn't that look great? As you can tell, I get very excited when I'm cooking because I think of all the nutrients that are in there that I'm going to have later when I am hungry. Just going to open that refrigerator and pull it out. Look at that. Fall colors. I made it all by myself. Cost effective. And I'm going to go ahead and work with freeze-dried strawberry and blueberry. The taste is out of this world. It's so sweet and it's just natural. Get our funnel cup on there and start off again with our 1 cup of oats to the mix. Fourth cup of sunflower seeds, which is used to support any inflammation we may be having. There you go, our beautiful strawberries. help us out with antioxidants. A 4th cup of freeze-dried blueberries for antioxidants. Half a tablespoon of our flax, which is our protein. And there is our tablespoon of syrup, which supports inflammation. And there you go. Look at the beautiful colors in there. And our cup of plant-based milk to the mix. And I'm going to add just a little more plant-based milk so everything can get soaked up. That's going to be nice and creamy. Thanks for spending time with me today as we went over the different ways how you can make overnight oats. It'll save you time and money and a headache. How about when you're just starving and need something to grab? That's what I like about it. It helps me to stay on track with my health. It helps me stay away from foods that I am sensitive to. And did you know that children like overnight oats as well? Now, I have a freebie for you down in the link below, so don't forget to grab it. And I will see you on the next video.